Hey, lovely souls. Welcome back to Soul Sanctuary. As you know, your life is a story, but the most important question is who is writing it? Are you in control? Or have you handed the pen over to your past, your struggles, or other people's opinions? Too many people live as if their story is already written for them. They believe that because of their past, their circumstances, or what others have done to them, they can't change their future. This is called victim mentality. And it is one of the biggest roadblocks to success, happiness, and growth. Loads of negative impact of victim mindsets are there. When you live in victim mode, you tell yourself, I have no control over my life. I can't succeed because of my past. Things will never change for me. And guess what? The more you repeat these beliefs, the more they become your reality. Victim mentality keeps you stuck because you blame instead of taking action. You wait for things to change instead of making them change. You focus on limitations instead of possibilities. Guys, life is not always fair. I admit. Bad things happen, people hurt us. But the truth is, you can't change the past. What you can do is to control how you respond to it. Own your story and break free from victim mentality. It's time to take the pain back. Pain is P-E-N, not P-A-I-N. It's time to take the pain back and rewrite your story. For that, the first step is accept your story, but don't let it define you. Your past is a chapter, not the whole book. Acknowledge what happened, but don't let it control your future. Shift from why me to what's next. Instead of focusing on the problem, focus on the solution. Every setback can be a setup for a comeback. Take radical responsibility. Stop waiting for someone else to fix your things. Own your choices, actions, and future. No one is coming to save you. You have to save yourself. Take small actions daily. Progress kills victim mentality. Even one small action or decision like going to the gym, applying for your desired job, or starting a business can shift your mindset from powerless to powerful. Change your circle. Energy is contagious. Surround yourself with people who take responsibility and level up, not those who complain and stay stuck. Most importantly, practice gratitude. Every day, find something to appreciate. It rewires your brain for positivity. Your life is your story. You can be the hero or the victim. It's your choice. A challenge for you. Drop a comment below and tell me one thing you are taking responsibility for this week. No excuses, just action. I believe no one can teach us best other than our own life. Trust me, I was in the same cage as you are right now. blaming my circumstances and the people around me for my depression, anxiety, panic attacks, and substance use. But then I realized it was not making my situation any better. I started taking responsibility by pointing out and resolving my self-sabotaging traits. And it did wonders. Be the author of your life. If you find this content helpful, please motivate me to make more such content by hitting the like and subscribe button. And also, don't forget to share with someone who needs to hear it. Now, go and write a great story. All the best and take care.